Hi everybody, my name is Mabel Ruiz and I'm a peer mentor with Pathways to Possible, and today I'm going to show you how to authorize your Colorado Opportunity Fund. The objective of this video is to show you how to authorize your Colorado Opportunity Fund award and apply it to your financial aid and or tuition fees. The first step is, if you have not applied to the Colorado Opportunity Fund, make sure that you do that first before you can authorize it in your student profile to receive the funds. The application can be found at cof.college-assist.org. Once you have applied to the COF, you must authorize the fund. The second step is to go into the MSU Denver Student Hub page. You can also find this from the main MSU Denver page if you click on the red icon, I am a, and click on Current Student. The third step is to scroll down to Web Services and click on the Student Profile Self-Service banner icon. Once you are in your student profile, on the left-hand corner of your screen, you will see 4 little squares. When you click on it, you will see an option for students. Click on that. A list of options will appear once you click on Students. You will see an option for Student Accounts. Click on that icon. Once you have clicked on the student accounts, you will click on the option that says COF Stipend Authorization. You will then be redirected to this page shown on my screen. You will then click on the option with the green circle and the white check inside it that says View COF Stipend Authorization. You will then be asked to select a term to view your COF stipend authorization. Click on the current semester you want to authorize your COF stipend. In this example, we will click on Fall 2022. You will then see a student authorization response at the bottom of the page. You will click on the first option that says, I choose to authorize lifetime use of my COF stipend until I revoke this authorization by selecting another option. Then you will click submit and your choice will be saved. Thank you for watching and I hope this helps.